Okay, we're gonna make an equilateral hexagon without using any measurements. I just have a ruler here just as a straight edge, so we can start by drawing a line segment of any length. So let's just make our line segment that long. Now we're gonna take a compass and we're gonna measure the same distance of our line segment on our compass. So as you can see, that's the same distance. And we're gonna mark the endpoints of our line segment. So a hexagon is essentially just 6 different triangles. So a hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. And since we're making a equal-sided regular hexagon, we're just gonna be making 6 different triangles. So we're gonna first get the midpoint of our hexagon by creating 2 arcs, one from this point and one from this point. And where those 2 arcs intersect is gonna be the first equilateral triangle in our hexagon. So I'll place the needle of the compass on one of the endpoints, create an arc, and do the same thing with the other endpoint. So this is the midpoint of our hexagon. Now we're going to go ahead and you can see here this is a triangle, and we're going to create the next triangle in our hexagon now. So we can use the midpoint of the hexagon, and we'll use this point here to create the other. So you can see this is the intersection here. And now we can see here, this is another triangle, so, and then that's their other triangle there. So we'll use the midpoint again. We're gonna create the top point of our hexagon, one of the top points of our hexagon. So we'll use that, and we'll use this point here to make the other intersection. There it is. So you can mark that there. So you can see here we've created another triangle. And now we're going to use the midpoint and create another intersection for our next triangle. And we'll use this point again to create the next intersection. There it is. So we've created another triangle. So how many triangles? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 more triangles left to make. So we need to make another point of our triangle here. So we'll use the midpoint first, and we'll use the other point we just created. That's our intersection there. All right, so now we can see that we do have 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll just use any straight edge and connect them all, and we'll have an equal, a regular hexagon. All equal sides. Here we go.